The Ri-Bhoi Youth Federation RBYF Umsning Proper B Unit had met the branch manager of the Meghalaya Rural Bank Umsning branch for the setting up of an ATM at Umsning to cater to the people of the area insofar as emergency withdrawal of cash is concerned. The president of the RBYF Umsning Proper B Unit, Josabar W. Lapang, informed that the meeting with the branch manager of the Meghalaya Rural Bank Umsning branch was intended to apprise authorities of the problems that the people of Umsning and adjoining areas are facing while withdrawing cash through bank counters. The long queue of customers is a daily scene where most of them waste their entire day just to be able to withdraw cash from their accounts. The president of the RBYF Umsning Proper B Unit further added that this particular issue has been brought to the notice of the branch manager of the particular branch, who admitted that lack of manpower and absence of an ATM kiosk in the area has disrupted services of the bank. He also assured members of the RBYF that the same would be escalated to the authorities at the head office so as to ensure that the demand of an ATM kiosk in the area is fulfilled.
Kadawa pulong ini bunga wanmi pentasnya ni ke Meghalaya Rural Bank kalong ba nioi bag nisoi ke jingga terlipat ba ni kong nioi ka bayar dei baka ATM machine luwe menagane Umsning circle ka RBYF Umsning circle kala dawa yang ke ATM machine henry tangkat tu kat naik ke ATM machine kalong dan orang tu pat kelas ni ini ki baterai ki staff yang bagi kirim kia ya ka tinggi ia ke sini terlipat ba Tebat kawa aru iya kan ga passbook printing machine ga teng yu i ning nong kendong ba pli wan nadu nong kendong kiwan taman print passbook ki habieng yang ulan bercorong bagi yu i yang hanya ru habar ga aki kompleks dia ting yu i pun jing jom lipat ba kata kan kong kiwan hadin mai lep kendo ya branch manager kan Meghalaya Rural Bank wang mauru so so sistem jing atre jom ki te staff kalau ngiki ba teng makiru Kia pendat kakam hadu nyaw kerja provision ben yakir kalau tam sistem maki customer kilabun tekum tam makir ki kwa he bikin complaint stay sa ka office ki head office ng Meghalaya Rural Bank te kumta he ong ini te mau uro uncing kia kan kakam kajing dawa jungi kalong ba le employee ki ATM machine bahkan so ki pat ba bat ikan ka passbook printing machine ada kimla ban ai ya ka passbook printing machine ro at least kin butang boy staff bawon nyarap ban print ka passbook jeng lipat ba teng ki habiang lang ulan isen ki ko abang ong ba teng ki bang ki train nang tau pat ba tinggir ki train nang tau pat ba ka jo tingi kwa ka jing suk nang pat ba te ki staff jeng ka man na ka ban kini yede ban penbiang ki kam ki pat ba ki pat ba nang masuk kam sting kam ki pat ba ro ki ro ka kam kam masuk tatani